everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we've got a very interesting, surprising package. Yes, remember a couple of videos ago I told you that we had a GBFKE order and they cocked it up. Well, apparently they sent this out. Now their communication needs to be improved because I had no email to say that this was dispatched. I had a phone call yesterday from my mum to say that it was just arrived. So no email whatsoever. Yeah, totally unexpected. Absolutely, totally unexpected. I think I should have sent a dispatch email though, because obviously it's been up in the air. I've emailed them countless times, didn't get no response whatsoever. But yeah, it looks like they've solved it now, which is great. And this is, look at the little starfish. Now this is what we call a 30x40, so this is a special, I think, because it's a partial as well. So as you can see there, it's 30x40, but in here it's what we call a partial. So as you can see, oh, this is gorgeous. Oh look! Okay, so we've got our classic green tray. I need to get into the picture first. I want to see what it looks like. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh wow, that's lovely. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah man, sweet. Okay, so we've got the symbols are 1 to 6, so there's only 6 symbols here. And yeah, it's what we call a partial. So as you can see, all around here is not drilled. There's very little segments on this, so obviously bits like here this is specials, so we've got like stars and little ball things. Quite interestingly, the whole of the ball is not drilled, so we've got like the starship areas, it's only sort of segments of it, so like the way through here, then it's sort of like bits and bits that are not partial. You've got that lovely reflection in the background of the ocean. The star looks like it's all fully drilled with a few big symbols there, and then you get this lovely sexy pink down the bottom here with this flower. So yeah, I can't see this taking too long. Really lovely, and this is going to be in my June theme, because in June I like to do like a summery sort of beach theme. So we're going to be doing some beaches, some donks, all sorts of wonderful things. But yeah, I'm really happy. Finally, we've got the correct painting. Now, they didn't ask for the other one back, so I don't know whether I'll do that or what, but yeah, I don't know. But it's their cock-up at the end of the day, so yeah, then their problem, not mine. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. This is absolutely fantastic. So let's take a look at the drills. Obviously, we've got our standard little boat there, which is really good. So there's no baggies. I don't keep these because I much prefer using my own sparkly pink pen. I'm definitely working with this pen on that starfish. Pink on pink, colour coordination here. So what I will do is I will probably just chuck that away. I don't really use them. And then in here, look at these. We've got all, oh yes! Look at that! Oh wow! That's a, I think that looks like it's some sort of teardrop or something. Oh, this is so lovely. Oh, look at this. Oh, love that blue. Yeah, baby. Okay, so I much prefer doing it this side, but you can see there's roughly about, we've got 9 colours in here, but in here we've got this silver colour. Now, we have worked on that previously with Marvel movie, as you can see. We have got an orange. This teal colour is absolute, well, it's actually not teal, I would say turquoise on that, but that's gorgeous. This pink is absolutely superb, absolutely love that. The green, emerald green I should imagine, but look at these, they're like little teardrops. How cool is that? Then we've got some plastic white jewels, we've got some stars, oh yes. And then we've got some teal ones here. I can't see any Aurora Borealis, so I reckon this is probably just crystals and specials. It's not very often I get some specials. Last time I worked on stars and that was the little keepings for Christmas that you're going to see in December, because that's already been recorded. But what a lovely, gorgeous painting this is. So if you want to get this, I mean, overall, I think, as I said, their customer service could have been a bit better. You know, perhaps it was just down to a human error, but they did send me an email saying they're going to send this out, and the correct one. But when I asked for like the tracking number and, you know, the dispatch email, there was nothing. They just ignored me the whole way through. So I don't know what that's all about. But yeah, I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really, really lovely, and I can't wait to dive into this. I reckon I'll probably start this on the weekend, and then I'll just probably put it up. It won't go up until June anyway, because it's a beach theme one. So yeah, but really do get this. I think it was like $4.99 or a little bit more than that. But do check it out, GBFKE there. And now that they've sent the correct painting, it puts my confidence back into them. But yeah, what a lovely painting. But I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. That's been brought to you by GBFKE, the folks over in China. If you want to get this for yourself, check out the website. The link's in the description of the video for this painting if you want to get it. Take care, and we'll see you in June for when we start to do this painting. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.